Hi friends and hello new subscribers. Today I am making something called cachopo. This is a Spanish dish from the Asturias region in northern Spain. And you need 2 beef fillets, cut very thin like milanesas. Then you pound them very thin to break the fiber. Before that I trim the beef to make it rectangular, but that is up to you. The next step is to have the other ingredients ready for breading it, and that is flour, breadcrumbs or panko, a few beaten eggs, and for the filling a creamy cheese. I am using Havarti, and traditionally they use serrano ham, but you can use prosciutto or jamón ibérico. Because I don't have a lot of working space in my kitchen, I flour 1 fillet at a time, removing the excess flour. And on that fillet, I am going to add the ham and cheese. And I am not adding any salt to the beef because both the cheese and the ham have salt. However, I think a little bit of black or white pepper will make it better. It's up to you. But I am sticking to the traditional recipe, people. You can put a lot of ham and cheese or just a little. In my opinion, it's easier to work with 2 or 3 slices of cheese and the same amount of ham. Let me know what you think about it so far. Have you had cachopo before? At the end of the video, I will leave you the video of the beef milanesa sandwich. The milanesa is similar to this. Once that's done, I'm going to cover it with the other steak. Again, the flour goes only on one side. I put some toothpicks as an option if you are afraid that it will open, but you don't really need it. Now it's gonna go into the egg bath, then it goes into the panko. By the way, the reason for the flour first is to keep the beef moist. Drain the excess egg before passing it by the panko. Instead of turning the cachopo over to bread it, I put the panko on that cup and just put it on top of it. You have to make things work for you in the kitchen. While I was doing that, I was heating the oil on medium-high heat. Then you just fry it. I like using panko because it souffles a little bit and it's just very tasty. I fried it for 4 minutes on one side and 3 minutes on the other one. You might have to adjust your cooking time depending on your stove. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up so other people can find it on YouTube. Thank you. And let me know how it turned out for you. You can make this sauce about half an hour before you make your cachopo. That will allow it to absorb the flavors. You can also add a few dry herbs and lime or lemon juice. Don't forget to remove the toothpicks from the cachopo before serving it if you use them. And garnish with the garlic sauce and eat it. You're ready to eat. See you in the next video. Chaito.